Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. In today's video, let's just do makeup. And I really want to try this stuff. This is called a lazy curl crease. I got it from Amazon. Is it? Yeah, on Amazon. I'm gonna try and use it to curl crease. Eyeshadow palette. This is confusion. I have reviewed this palette. It's not new. Another palette I have here in mind is Revolution eyeshadow. I have reviewed this one as well. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're keeping safe. I'll just dab this down. Okay, I'll take one of this brush. These two shades. I might miss this one and this one. This very one and this very one. By this shade on my outer V. These two shades. Kind of blend. Yeah. Not too much. I hope I haven't blurred it down camera because I'm good at that. To blend it. Burn it to be more darker without having to blend too much. Take it a bit forward. Okay, yeah, I like it now. I guess looking for curl crease canvas from Revolution. I've not used this girl in ages. I don't want to use P. Louise base because it dries quick. I want to do a half moon. I will just apply it here. Okay. Wish me luck. Ooh. Excuse you. Ha! Did we just find something? I've tidied this area up. I think this is cool, in my opinion. Oh, Julia, don't do it too much. You say you want half moon. That's enough, Julia. So I will use that two shade. I'll just kind of blend this area. This shade called Burn. This shade here. I want to apply this shade. It's called Bold. I'll apply this one as well on top of it. It's not like it's gonna make any difference. It says glitter on my curl crease. Lazy curl crease, guys. I think it's good. I will use this one. You know, we don't end outing. We low-key satisfied. So I'm just gonna apply line here, like I usually do. This one is Maybelline. This one is Rimmel, is it? Anyway, this is from Revolution, so I can just apply lashes and move on. This jacket I'm gonna use, style jacket I'm gonna use from our last collection, under eye, which is plants. I'm just gonna try and use plants under my eye. Just see how it goes. Just want a green color under my eye. See if I can dip it with this other green called Natural. I will just apply this gold on my inner corner. Come on, it's not even coming out. I'm gonna dip into this shade, or this one even, but I'll just use this one for my under eye still, like just here. And use this eyeliner from Primark just to, you know, open my eyes a bit. All night long. Just gonna combine these two from Revolution. They are matte, so I will use this the darker one as my lip liner. Apply this, which is the lighter version. These two combined together is really good. This is from Primark, by the way. It's one of my favorite highlighter out there. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to me, and I hope to put more video out, and I hope to see you guys on my very next video. Please follow us on Instagram, is at Makeup Time with Julia. Yes, I will see you guys on my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now. Stay safe.